who we are, just like, yeah. Maybe you may want to come in a bit closer, so that his voice will be, try to speak loud to the camera.
Yeah, here, what we are doing, we have started our work of repairing or renovating the school, which was blown off by the heavy winds in October. Yesterday we were in town getting some materials, in other way purchasing some materials for us to start this exercise this morning. So as you can see here, there is a number of people. These are community members. They have come for community participation so that we can repair or roof our school. In short, what we are trying to say, we bought all the materials yesterday from the money which we received from the well-wishers across the board. Definitely those are the materials which we are going to use today. As you can see, this one here is the chairperson for the school, and those are committee members. Up there in front of the doors are the parents, community members. So what we are trying to do is working on the school. In a nutshell, though we are still in the process of working, without the support of the well-wishers of our friends across all over the world, we are not going to manage to repair this school. Definitely, as I've said, as I've alluded to say, though we are still in the process, we are thanking these people for the effort, for the confidence, because for someone to send money to someone, which means that total confidence for the money to be used in order. So we are really so thankful for them to help us and to renovate our school. I think in a nutshell this morning, as we are just starting working, I might end here because in our midst we have Mr. Marcelo from Lusaka, then also our head teacher at the school. Maybe he can have some few words to utter as a head. All the materials are in, and he has also come in the group so that we can work together. As for me, I think let me end here and thank all the community members and the well-wishers abroad.
Very good.
Thanks so much.
And also you can just say a few words as well.
Okay. Yeah, we are here this morning to do some work of repairing our school, which had this roof blown off. First of all, we are really grateful for the donations that were given to us. Without our well-wishers, I think it was going to be very difficult for us to operate, because the roof was completely blown off and we had nowhere to do our work.